Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download your own Instagram story. To do this, all you need to do is open up Instagram and head over to your story. Once you have it opened up, make sure to hold down to it so it doesn't disappear, because as you know, when you let stories run for too long without holding on them, they minimize. And you will need to hold on for this for a moment while I explain. So the one way you can download the story that most people do is just by simply screenshotting it. But we don't want that. All you need to do actually to download your story is just click on the little three little buttons right here that will pop out once I release it. There we go. And once you do that, all you need to do then is just click save photo. And there we go, it said save to camera roll. Now we have our story saved to our photo. You might want to do this if you've applied other filters from the story settings, etc. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.